If you're looking for a simple routine that focuses on your inner thighs and legs and can be done comfortably at home on your bed, follow along with me. I'm dietitian Natasha Mohan, and my focus is on practical, sustainable routines that fit into real daily life. No complicated setups, no extreme routines, just simple movements you can actually stay consistent with. Before we begin, I want to ask you something. Do you feel that certain areas like your inner thighs and legs don't get enough attention in your daily routine, or that you're not sure which simple movements you can do regularly at home? If that's the case, you're not alone. Trust me, there are so many out there who face the same problem. That's exactly why this routine is useful. The goal here is to focus on your inner thighs and legs through controlled movements that you can repeat comfortably as part of your routine. Consistency matters more than intensity. You don't need to rush and you don't need to force anything. Even small controlled movements done regularly can support your overall activity, muscle engagement, and daily comfort. Everything we are doing today is simple, manageable, and designed for home practice. Trust me, you're at the right place. You don't need any equipment. Just follow at your own pace, and if anything feels uncomfortable, slow down or take a pause. Alright, let's begin. Before we begin, let me know in the comment section below which country are you watching this particular video from? Which part of the world are you seeing this video from? Let me know in the comments very quickly. So today's exercise focuses on the inner thigh. Now I'm sitting in the comfort of my own home on my own bed. Let me know in the comment section below which is the favorite time on which you actually make time to do any kind of exercise. I like to do these exercises first thing in the morning as soon as I wake up. So this is what we have to do. It's called the butterfly stroke, and it's absolutely simple. We have to try and hold our legs over here, especially the toes together, so there's no disparity like this. And see, the toes are all locked in. And now we have to flap our thighs like this. Take it up and down. Okay, you can do it at your own pace. Now there will be many over there will have a stiff hip joint that your thighs are not going all the way down. So you can hold your legs like this with your hand and bring it down. Then you can push it up like this, then again push it down. And with the help of your hand, you have to now support your thighs. This is an easy movement. I'm teaching you the easy way. And for those who can already do it yourself, this is what we are going to do. You have to flap it like this. It's super easy and effective for your inner thighs especially, and every time you shift a little forward, you pull it back in again. But please make sure to lock your toes, because if you don't, then slightly and slowly your feet will shift forward, and this is what we don't want. It is such an exciting and easy way, most effective. Just imagine, no equipment needed, no getting out of bed, getting ready, all the drill. Just going to a gym and doing some exercise. This is so easy. I can already feel the strain along my inner thigh area, and I'm sure you will also achieve the same. Well done. I'm so proud of you. Now that I've already shown you the first exercise, let me show you the second exercise. It's all the more easier and also super easy and effective. You have to make an L shape like this with your leg, and then you have to hold this toe like this tightly and come down all the way like this. If you want, you can touch. This is what you have to do. So we are going to do it at least 5 times from one side, which is the right leg. Then we are going to do it with the left leg again 5 times. Let's do it together. So you can actually feel a stretch along this area, your thigh area. It's super easy. And trust me, so effective. When was the last time when you wanted to fit into a dress and you just felt, I wish I was slightly more slimmer? This is the exercise you should be doing if you have lower body fat, especially inner thighs. So we have done 5 counts. Now let's switch the leg to the left side. There you go, I've already switched legs. Now let's do the other side as well. So when you come down, you should actually count at least 5 counts and then come up again. That's the catch. Well done. So proud of all of you. You've managed to do it so well. Now let's do with both the legs and make it all the more effective. So easy. Well done. We've completed 5 counts and 2 exercises. Now let me show you the last and third one. Now let me show you the last easy and easy effective exercise, which you have to flap your legs like this. This is again a super easy exercise, but you know what? You don't have to bring your legs back down. You have to keep it at a certain height and just keep flapping it at this height, like this. So I'm sure you understood what to do. Just breathe normally and do it along with me. Let's do it together. So proud of you. Well done. So now I come to the last and most easy effective exercise, which is super fun. You don't need a bed. You can even sit on a couch and do it. Trust me, if you do it on a daily basis, you're sure to see results. Let's make circles. I mean, just so easy. So effective. Any age group, beginner, advanced, medium level. You don't need any of that. Just watch your favorite show if you have time during the daytime and keep doing this sitting on a couch, on a chair, or at night when you're just relaxing, come back home from work, do it before going to bed. Or maybe first thing in the morning. Now let's do it anti-clockwise. These are the benefits of doing home workouts. You can do it in the comfort of your own home, at your own pace. Nobody's watching, nobody's judging. Just you and your easy home workout. You can play this video along and do it daily while I'm doing it with you. Well done. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.